You can go to multiple banks and get different results. I think it still had some nickel in it, didn't it? If I'm not mistaken. And just so everybody knows, too, since there's over 100 people in here, the 2024s are low mintage. Doesn't matter if it's Denver or Philadelphia. They're going for about $5 or more each on eBay right now. So that's what also I'm looking for in flipping these over to double check. That's a little fun fact. Tennessee. And you have one of those, I don't know if you remember the old early 90s Saturday morning cartoon things of the commercial, like the more you know. One of those on the screen. Okay, so the 2024s, I've been flipping them over and looking because all the 2024s, doesn't matter if it's Denver or Philadelphia, they are low mintage. And for that fact, on eBay, they are selling for about $5 or more each nickel. So if you come across them and they are in decent shape, you can, put them on eBay and someone will buy them because people are collecting those. So I found a lot. Like I said, I've been averaging at least one silver nickel on every one of my hunts. So I'll show you what I'm missing in my collection. I've got all the silvers. All I'm missing is the 1944 Denver. But on top of this, I have a bunch more in my collection. So I would say at least 40 or more. Yeah. Yeah, Tennessee knows. PDRS. Did I already go through this? I already went through those. So let's go back here. Hey guys, thanks for getting me over the 50 like hump. Thanks for the likes, guys. That helps out the stream. Like I'll show you again. I don't have any problem explaining things. So the lower mintage a coin is, the more it could potentially be worth and also harder to find. So like these, you can see the mintage numbers underneath. Here, let's find one, for example, that's not served. Like the 1939S. That has a very low mintage of 6.6. And for that reason, if it was in better condition than this, it would be worth, gosh. I'd have to look at the book value. But general rule of thumb, lower mintage possibly means more money. Everything depends on condition of the coin, of course. The war nickels midway between 1942 and 45. Did we just score again? Look at this, guys. Our second silver war nickel. Holy crap. This one's in 1943. And we have a Philly. Jeez, guys. So our two finds. Holy crap. This is a good box. So we only have one. And so we have two. And it's funny because usually I have a bunch of other 40s and 50s finds. But our two finds of the night have both been war nickels. And that is freaking awesome. It's a great box. It would make it even better if I found a V nickel or a buffalo nickel. I wouldn't be surprised.